The strcpy function C copies a string to a destination. Strcpy is in the string.h header file, so we will hash include string.h. We'll also want to print our answer out, so we will also hash include stdio.h. Let's give ourselves a destination string that can hold 100 characters. So, char dest array of 100. Let's give ourselves the source string hello that can hold 6 characters. So, char source array of 6 equals world. Next, we will strcpy source to dest. So, strcpy dest, source. Next, let's print dest. So, printf, double quotes, %s\n, then printf dest. If we run the code, you'll see world printed out, which means source was copied to dest. Strncpy is exactly like strcpy, but with an extra wrinkle. If you already know what strcpy does, you know it copies the source string to a destination. So here, the string t that holds 6 characters is equal to the string world. The destination string s can hold 15 characters. Calling strcpy of s, t here would copy the s into the destination t and make t now hold the string world. The wrinkle strncpy throws in is that it can now limit how many characters from, in this case, t can be copied into s. So if I called strncpy of s, t, 3, that would only modify the string s for it to now be were. Only the first 3 characters of t would be copied over, because that's what you told strncpy to do. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.